Shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than
gold. Oh, hello friends. Welcome to this weekend vlog. We are on the road. We are driving. I haven't filmed in my car in forever because, as you may know, I recently moved to New Jersey, and when you drive in New Jersey, you actually gotta really focus because everybody has a death wish. So I try not to film. You know, I commute to work every morning and back every afternoon, and I could film so many car what souls during that time. But no, I'm just trying not to get killed. So I don't know why I chose today to vlog and actually film in my car, but we're moving so slowly right now. I feel like it's fairly safe. Stuck in traffic, but we're starting to move. I have my child in the back as well, so I'm trying not to wake him up because he just fell asleep, because we are road tripping down to Virginia, which is where small person's daddy lives, and we're gonna go and see him. Well, I'm gonna drop this one off, and then I'm gonna be free to do whatever the heck I want. So there's going to be some thrifting, there's going to be some hanging out with friends that I haven't seen in a while since we moved, and yeah, it's just a kid-free weekend, but just not in New Jersey. I've filmed a few of those lately, but here we go. We just left. I tried to get an oil change before leaving, and the wait was just annoyingly long, and I didn't have patience for it. And yeah, we're on the road. It's actually 1 o'clock. I meant to leave around like 10, 11, and then we left after 12, got gas, got him a Happy Meal and all that good stuff. Hope you can hear me, by the way. Roads are really loud. So anyway, yeah, so we got a later start, but it is what it is. It's my day off. I didn't want to rush in the morning. I had things I wanted to get done before we left for the weekend, so it's all good. Anyway, the drive is about 5 hours, which is decent, so I would have been concerned if we had left any later, because driving down from New Jersey to Virginia, you get through, the Baltimore area and the Washington, D.C. area, and that traffic is usually a big old pain in the behind. So if we can avoid rush hour as we're going through those areas, then we're winning. And 5 hours, honestly, is not bad for this drive. Last time we went, it took close to I think between 7 or 8 hours. It was ridiculous. It took us so long to get back. Anyway, I'm going to focus on driving because traffic is actually moving, and I'm going to try to get you some pretty shots of the what's it called, the Delaware Memorial Bridge, whatever. We'll see how this goes. It's warm outside. It's Easter weekend. It is quite beautiful. A little bit too warm, if you ask me, but we'll manage. I'll be checking in with you guys throughout the weekend. I have no idea where this vlog is going, but you'll probably be able to tell by the title. Hopefully there will be a little bit of a haul in there, as well as some other funnery along the road. Also, Patrick Murphy, if you're watching, jackass count so far in the first 30 minutes, 2. Okay, well, we're gonna keep jackass count for Patrick Murphy, since he doesn't do ride-along videos anymore. But he does cat videos now, and you should check him out, so I'll link his channel somewhere. Anyway, I will drive now, and see you soon.
Five hours later. The next day.
Okay, hi friends. It is the next day. I didn't really get any other footage yesterday, mostly because the drive was horrible, just absolutely horrible. There was so much traffic. I feel like I drove down the entire way from New Jersey to Virginia at I don't know, 50 miles per hour speed, it was just super annoying. So it took us like 8 hours almost to get there. And yeah, once I dropped off my kid and went to my friend's house, I pretty much crashed and I slept for a good amount of time. I'm proud to report that I actually got to sleep in, which doesn't happen anymore with my small person. So yesterday though, before I went to bed and passed out and crashed and all of those things, I saw something on the interwebs. Forgot if it was Instagram. I think it was Instagram, yeah. And it just came to me, and it was an ad for a new Goodwill outlet, so a new Goodwill BINS location. I was like, oh, well, it's probably not anywhere close to me. And then I look, and it's in Virginia Beach, which is about 50 minutes from where I'm staying. So normally I would go to the BINS in Hampton, Virginia, and by normally I mean when I still lived here. But since this new location opened, I'm like, I kind of have to go there now and check it out, right? And report back to y'all. I don't think I'll be filming much on the inside. I don't have my little chest strap thing for the GoPro with me, and I also just want to focus on thrifting and finding some good stuff, but also just exploring and seeing what this location is all about, how it works. Every Goodwill BINS location that I've been to so far is so different in terms of their policies, whether they do rotations, how often they do rotations, where you have to go for a rotation. So I have no idea what this one's going to be like. It just opened yesterday, so it's probably going to be a zoo today, I'm pretty sure. But we're just going to go and check it out. We'll see. If it sucks, I can always come back to the one I usually go to. It's kind of like that one is on the way to the other one, so either way, I'll have to basically pass it on my way back. So that's the plan for today. Now, I did sleep late, like I mentioned, so I'm not getting there right when they open. In fact, they open at 11 and it's 12, and I'm probably going to get there closer to like 12:30, 12:45. So we'll see. I do hope that they do rotations for the clothing, because then there's no pressure to be there right when they open. But the other location that I would usually go to in Hampton, and I've mentioned this a bazillion times, does not do rotations for clothing. So either way, it's mostly a recon mission, I guess, at this point. Every time I go to a new BINS location, I just set the bar really low. It's like, let's figure out what this one is about, how it works. And since I don't live here anymore, chances that I'm going there a whole lot are very slim. So we're just gonna check it out, get some content for you guys, get maybe a little bit of footage for you guys. And yeah, if you're in the area and you've been to the new Goodwill outlet in Virginia Beach, leave a comment down below, let me know what your experience was. And yeah, we'll see what I can find, if I can get anything good. I'm a little bit pissed off that they're opening this now after I move because that would have been nice, you know, when I was still living here, to have like different locations to choose from. There's also one in Richmond, Virginia that I've been to once and I hated it, so I haven't been back, but I don't know, there's always that. But anyway, we're gonna check it out, see what we can find, and how crazy it's going to be. Maybe it's not going to be crazy. It's Easter weekend, maybe everybody is doing things with their family, but it's also kind of a gray day, so we'll see. Anyway, I will drink my coffee that I picked up at Panera, and that sadly tastes like hot garbage water. So a little disappointing. I love Panera, but I don't know what happened there, but I'm too far away from it now to go back and be like, yo, I want to speak to the manager. So anyway, yeah, I will check back in at some point. Again, no idea where this video is going, but just come along with me, hang out, and hopefully we can have a good time at the BINS today. If it sucks, I'll just leave. There's that. Okay, so we made it. Kind of easy to miss, we'll say that. But I'll go inside and check it out. I, again, will probably not be filming inside, we'll see. I just have to get an idea of what we're dealing with here, and hopefully find some good stuff. The garbage coffee has been growing on me, sad to report that, but anyway, we're gonna go inside. Well, I'm gonna go inside, and we'll see if I can take you with me, but if not, I'll see you after for the haul, whatever. Goodwill, BINS in Virginia Beach. First impressions. I spent 3 hours there, give or take. Found good stuff. They do some rotations, but not for clothing and shoes from what I can tell. But the shoes, I mean, I found so many good pairs, so many good ones. I actually tossed some back because I was like, I cannot take that much, you know, with me. And there were certain ones that would have been like a project with cleaning them up more or whatever. And I was like, let's just put them back. I mean, they can fit in my car, don't get me wrong. But it's like, do I really want to drag all of these shoes back to New Jersey with me? No. Even though they were decent, like, not gonna lie. So anyway, oh my god, I don't even know where to start. I tried to get like a little bit of a shot of the general layout. They do have what I thought was really nice. They do have a scale where you can weigh your stuff before you check out, just for your own reference, which I didn't do, but I came in at like 22 pounds and some change. So after 20 pounds, the price goes down at this location. Same as with the Goodwill bins in Hampton, Virginia. So that was nice. Also, what was super nice about this location, first of all, it wasn't very busy. I think I mentioned that. But second of all, everybody was super nice. Like the employees, people shopping there were nice. Like nobody was being rude or pushy. And actually, one of the cashiers, it was the sweetest thing. As I was checking out, and I turn around to leave, and she's at the register next to me. She's like, "I'm sorry, can I tell you something? You are so pretty." And I was just like, oh my god, I kid you not. I would not be making this up because that stuff never happens to me, and I was just like, thank you. So, very sweet people. Come for the clothing, stay for the compliments, I guess. Nice location. Highly recommend the new Goodwill outlet in Virginia Beach. I feel like at this point, yeah, people just don't really know about it yet, so you can be one of the first to check it out, and let me know, again, in the comments down below if you have done so. I found some really good stuff that I'm really excited for, that one or two new brands I know and know will sell really well, so that trip is already paid for just based on what I picked up. I think I've paid, what did I pay, 53 bucks, I rounded up, which is really good, honestly, for the amount that I got. So I got, I think, 4 pairs of kids shoes, 3 pairs of adult shoes, a couple of like little hard goods, odds and ends that are really just for personal use, and then, yeah, 22 pounds of clothing, and there's some really decent stuff in there. So I will film a separate haul for that, and will probably come out after this video, don't know yet, but I will film that when everything I think is washed and, you know, ready to be processed when I'm back in New Jersey. I am starving, I need to go eat something, and I want to meet up with a friend, so I will probably not film much more today, but we'll see, maybe some random funnery is happening, jackassery, who knows. So yeah, I will talk to you guys soon.